What's in my purse?
It's a surprise. Hey you, I'm Tahani.
And I'm Michael Michelle.
And today we have an all-new surprise for you. What do you think it is?
Something awesome.
I think you're right.
Introducing for the first time ever,
What's in my purse surprise? We think it and it comes to life.
even if we think about a puppy.
I wish. Let's see what these are.
Ooh.
These are filled with adorable tiny surprises that match your mood and your style.
Yes, I think I'm excited. Let's unbox.
Let's do it.
Hello, cute little somethings. I can't see you. There are 3 surprises to open.
You can collect over 60 mystery surprises, including lip gloss rings, puzzle erasers, markers, and charm bracelets.
Let's see what we got. A lip gloss ring. OMG, this is so cool. And it says mermazing. Minty fresh. Let's see what else there is. Definitely blueberry.
Let's see what other one we got.
Will you marry me?
Of course not. I think that was incredible.
Whoa.
Markers!
Markers! Let's see. It's yellow.
It says I donut care with a donut and a unicorn on the cap. Let's see what other colors we've got.
They're sisters.
Aw,
These are perfect to bring to school.
we can't wait to use them.
Just imagine. Whatever.
What's in your head, Michael Michelle?
I'm thinking that I want to see more. There's 5 surprises. OMG, what's in my purse? I want to find out now. Ta-da! It's an eraser.
They're puzzle erasers.
Lipstick. Meow.
It's a cactus plant. It's a nail polish eraser.
Wow, my stationery set's gonna be so epic.
Guess what?
What?
There's one more type of mystery pack, and it's charming.
I think you're right. Yes! French fries!
It's a cute little charm.
Tahani, will you put it on me?
Of course. Beautiful. You're happier than a seagull with a french fry right now.
I am. Let's see what else. It's an ice cream!
Aw, that's a double scoop of adorable. And each mystery thought pack comes with a scratcher and
Stickers!
there's one last thing we need to talk about. Soon there will be something you can put your surprises in. I'm thinking it's adorable.
Whoa, look!
No way! Let's unbox her.
Look, she has a name. It's Pinky Swear.
That is so cute. She's a doll and a purse.
She's so soft. And she comes with 3 surprises. With the power of awesomeness, let's open it! Wha-bam! It's an ice cream!
An ice cream lip gloss.
Ta-da!
It's a rainbow puzzle eraser.
Ugh.
French fries!
French fries! I think we should put stuff in her. She's not a purse because she wants to be empty. She's a purse because she wants to be full.
That's right.
It's time to go shopping, girls. We really made a splash today.
Yes, we have. Speaking of making a splash, there are 2 more surprise doll purses. Miss Positive and Mermazing.
They're so cute. She's got catitude. And Mermazing is all about the mermaid life. I'm all about the surprise life.
Me too, girl. And if you're all about this surprise life, make sure you comment down below subscribe to our channel and leave us a thumbs up.
And tell us what